Hey guys, so this is my 52-inch SMC DC52, and I have it in my room here. I installed it a little bit ago. There's the Huntington 3. Since I made a video of it without a light kit, and I believe that video is almost a year old already, but I figured to make a video of it without the light. So yeah, and I actually think it looks much better without the light. Looks cool. Gives the generic SMC look. I added a tassel on it to make it look extra 80s. But still got the cane. There's a top, I can't reach up there. Too tall. But yeah. I believe this fan is from the early 90s because the blades are pretty wide. I know that the later 90s ones were smaller. And the switch housing is a bit different. And the screws are a bit different. Now, this thing, you may remember how this always had wobble problems. And it still does. I'll show you on the blades what blades are messed up. Okay, so is this one? So this one's fine. This one is fine. This one has a weight on it. This one is fine. This one is kind of bent this way to the right. And then this is the really messed up one. This one has like a 15-degree blade pitch. This one's pitched, and also it's bent that way more. So yeah, I'll show it from up here. But tomorrow, me and my dad are gonna balance it. So yeah, I'll put it on to low. Still buzzes, but it doesn't buzz as much without the light. Well, with the light it was atrocious, but not anymore. But it still has that generic SMC hum. Even though my other SMC, for whatever reason, whenever I first got the fan, the bearing, it was fine. It had the normal SMC hum, as all SMCs have. But this one, that other SMC, over time, I believe one of the woundings in the motor, I believe they're a bit loose, or someone inside the motor is loose, because it makes a ridiculous ticking sound that drives me nuts. And so, yeah. There's low, up to medium. I'm using this tassel because my other tassel is messed up. It's getting old, and these are getting all worn out, and you can start to see a little ball there. Same with this one, but it's not as bad. Oh, it's starting to wobble worse on medium now than it was before. Yeah, you can see how much it wobbles. And that's just medium. Move up to high. Oh, a little blade vibration. Yeah. It looks like it's just about to fall out of the ceiling. That's fine. I think. Still blows good air. You can definitely see that blade pitch. But yeah, that is my 52-inch SMC, I was about to say Hampton Bay, my SMC DC52 ceiling fan without the light. So yeah, that's it. And by the way, it's in my room, obviously. But yeah, that's it. Bye.